guys, what's up? It's MC Gaming here. Today, we are going to be playing some survival games. Not gonna lie. And as you can see, we have the Optifine. Yay! Optifine! Yay! Yay! So fun. So fun. So fun. Like, we just got it. Literally just like 5 minutes ago. And we're like, let's build!
Stone sword.
I got stone sword as well. Yay! Die! Die, Nacho King. Come here! I'm a cutest
Oh, I
man.
fell in the golf hole.
I'm a cutest man. Come here!
Come back here, my Brandon.
Yeah, I'm still. Ow! Heal!
On legs. To
Heal! Get the iron blocks! Get the iron blocks! Get the iron blocks! Them blocks.
I want his ex.
Get his. Let's go. Dun, 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 dun. And we are playing on TBNR Frag server. It's a really awesome server. It's got the same. It's got crates, just like in the Hive, but it's a lot less full. So we're just like, yeah, let's play on this one because this one's awesome. Let's chase him down. Dragon potato. Potato, 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 potato.
His shoes are up to fine.
Using Optifine. Look at that fine booty.
Looks like you're going.
Look at that fine booty.
Looks like you're going slower.
I don't care. Look at that fine booty. Oh, look at that lady's fine booty.
Woo.
Woo! Welcome back to Commentating with Turkeys.
Oh.
About that apple. Get back! That's like, welcome back to Commentating with Turkeys. It's just like
See?
Commentating with Turkeys. Item frame, that's totally worth stopping.
Yeah.
Kill her! Yeah, kill her!
I want those apples.
Get off!
Ah,
Back up! Back away! Back away! Dragon potato, where'd she go? Oh, come here!
you're so good.
Ah!
Oh.
Yay! I killed her! I win!
What a shit.
We are totally uploading this. Dude.
Oh, I think I broke my headset.
My god, Mitch. Oh my god, I have a stack of iron.
Yay.
Holy crap. Dude, guard me while I craft. Like, just tell me if someone's coming. Oh, look, there's a guy!
Get him.
Oh my god. You're such bad people. Come here! I can't tell if he's looking at me. He's got faces on all 4 sides.
Oh, where is he?
He's right here. Potato Man USA.
Go, Potato Man.
USA.
USA. USA. Hey.
Hey! Die, you son of a bitch! Oh my god, we are so... Oh, I got some good hits on him before D-match. Oh my god, it's already D-match. That was 3 minutes. I'm going after the guy.
Kill the guy with faces.
I'm going after the guy with multiple faces.
He's got TBNR frags. He's got Preston on his butt.
I see that. My god, Mitch. Mitch. Die. Hey, little crap. Come here, Nacho King. Nacho. No, you ain't. Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
USA.
Potato Man. Cookie Monster.
Cookie Monster.
Oh god, he's got a diamond sword. Shit.
Kill the blocker.
He's no man of the boss. He's got an axe. I mean, he's got an axe and he's not using it. Oh, yes!
Okay, take that damn sword. You have butter apples. Okay. Oh, you have apple hearts. Eat another one.
Come on!
Eat another one. What's he doing?
Come over here.
It's just Cookie Monster left.
Cookie Monster! Come here,
Oh,
Cookie
you're
Monster.
screwed. It's a Cookie Monster.
It's a Cookie Monster. I gotta win the Hunger Games. Cookie Monster!
I'm
No.
gonna zoom in.
God damn it.
I'm gonna zoom in on his butt.
Come here! I chop you. He's got that axe! He's killing me. Oh yeah, baby!
Oh, okay.
Sons of bitches, yeah!
Okay, I'm doing the outro.
Yeah!
Okay. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. That was MC Gaming and what?
Yeah, that was Hunger Games, and I won, bitches! Okay, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.